In today's video, we're going to discuss a range of intriguing topics from total return swaps to short squeezes, mysterious bank outages, and even a new meme coin. You won't want to miss this exciting journey, so let's jump right into it. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Daily Stock Update. If you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications by hitting the bell so you never miss any of our uploads and also enter our giveaway. But before that, alert, this is not a financial advice video. Section 1. Total return swaps and their impact. We kick off today's discussion with a closer look at the shady dealings involving total return swaps. These financial instruments have been used by Wall Street and crypto exchanges to naked short AMC by over 1,000%. But here's the kicker. Once the smart contracts for these tokenized shares are completed, the evidence is promptly burned. Firms with wallets at FTX, Solana, and Bittrex are now under scrutiny for their potential crimes against the American public and global investors. Section 2. FTX and Wall Street Connection. Let's delve into the connection between FTX and Wall Street. FTX's most sought-after clientele base comprises institutional investors, also known as Wall Street, seeking to execute trades away from traditional exchanges. This connection has had far-reaching implications, causing pension funds 401 KISS and the Mag 7s to crash. Firms resorted to selling sound portfolios to close out fraudulent positions when hit with $10 billion in margin fees. Crypto companies minted a staggering 8 quadrillion token shares for total return swaps. Coincidentally or not, the world's largest pension fund, Japan's state pension fund, reported a $4.5 billion loss for the quarter. A concerning correlation, wouldn't you say? Section 3. New SEC regulations. Now, let's shift our focus to the SEC and its recent adoption of rules for the registration and regulation of security-based swap execution facilities. But the question remains, will these regulations do much for retail investors? As AMC enters a short squeeze, it's essential to draw parallels with the Tesla squeeze. Short sellers have always had their eyes on Tesla, but the company continued to thrive, leaving short sellers with burnt fingers. AMC appears to be following a similar path, with promising signs of growth before earnings are announced. Section 4. AMC's potential squeeze. With 3.2 million shares available to borrow on AMC and 37,000 calls compared to 1,000 puts expiring in the money, it's clear that the gamma ramp is building. More and more people are betting bullishly on AMC. Surprisingly, short volume isn't as high as anticipated, but the future remains uncertain. We eagerly await the next reporting cycle. Section 5. GameStop's borrowed shares. GameStop is in the spotlight as well, with 1.6 million shares available to borrow. The options chain shows a significant contrast, with 10,000 calls compared to 1,000 puts expiring in the money. What does the future hold for GameStop? It's a Friday, but the markets are looking green, despite more short exempts being dumped to keep this situation contained. Section 6. The dramatic case of Sam Bankman Fried. In a dramatic turn of events, Sam Bankman Fried, the former CEO of FTX, faces a maximum sentence of 115 years in prison after being found guilty of all 7 criminal counts against him. Some claim that the fraud and the collapse of FTX was even worse than the infamous Enron scandal, with $10 billion in customer funds going missing. It's important to note that FTX did not meet a mysterious end, as we've seen with other CEOs in similar situations. Section 7. The rise of meme coins. On a lighter note, a new meme coin has entered the scene, complete with the most amusing white paper you'll ever read. This coin has no utility, no roadmap, no promises, and no expectations of financial returns, just 100% memes. Some speculate that it's a clever way to distract retail investors. What do you think? Section 8. Mysterious bank outages. In a bizarre turn of events, several banks, including Bank of America and Wells Fargo, recently experienced widespread outages and disruptions. These issues began around 800 ET, leaving customers and investors in the dark. Meanwhile, Wells Fargo investment advisory clients are under investigation by the SEC due to the bank's cash sweep options, which offer different sweep choices for unvested cash balances. Section 9. The Real Estate Industry Scandals. We conclude today's video with a jaw-dropping revelation in the real estate industry. The CEO of the National Association of Realtors has stepped down, following the association's recent guilty verdict for colluding to inflate or maintain high commission rates. The association has been ordered to pay a staggering $1.78 billion in damages. Conclusion. And there you have it, an in-depth exploration of the financial world's hidden secrets and dramatic events. Friends, that's all we have for you today. What is your opinion about today's video? Get involved and let us know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching.